hear that? That's the crunch. It isn't a grilled cheese if you don't hear that. It starts with great ingredients from my favorite place to shop.
Yay!
Nothing goes better with a cheesy grilled cheese than some tomato soup. Shopping's done. Let's head back and build our sandwich.
Let him cook! I said let him cook!
You're gonna be tempted to smash it, but don't. And don't forget to share a little bit of your ingredients with your dog.